Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bio Classes. Today we will study another topic of endocrinology, that is pancreas, as an endocrine function of the pancreas gland. Pancreas develops from the endoderm of embryo. Pancreas lies below the stomach in a bend of the duodenum. Pancreas is an elongated yellowish gland. It is about 15 cm long and weighing about 85 grams. It consists of largely of lobules known as the acini that secrete pancreatic juice. It is both an exocrine and an endocrine gland. Endocrine cells of pancreas form groups of cells called islets of Langerhans located around capillaries within the lobules. Islets of Langerhans, they are located around capillaries within the lobules. About a million of islets of Langerhans, each with approximately 3000 cells, comprise about 15% of the pancreatic mass. There are four kinds of cells in the islets of Langerhans which secrete hormones. These cells are alpha cells, about 20% they secrete glucagon, beta cells, about 70% they secrete insulin, delta cells, about 5% secrete somatostatin, PP cells or F cells, about 5% secrete pancreatic polypeptide. So next comes the hormones of the pancreas. The islets of Langerhans secrete four hormones: glucagon, insulin, somatostatin and pancreatic polypeptide. So glucagon and insulin have an antagonistic effect on the blood glucose level. Glucagon, it is secreted by the alpha cells of the islets of Langerhans in response to a fall in blood glucose level. It stimulates the liver to convert stored glycogen into glucose. Glucagon is controlled by feedback in accordance with the level of glucose in the blood. Excess of glucose in the blood suppresses the secretion of glucagon, whereas fall in glucose level in the blood starts glucagon production. In other words, when the blood glucose level rises, the secretion of glucagon is suppressed, and when it drops, the secretion of glucagon is stimulated. Glucagon acts on the cells of liver and adipose tissue. Effects of glucagon. Glucagon increases blood sugar level by stimulating the dissolution of glycogen granules and the consequent movement of soluble glucose into the blood. Number 2, this hormone involves in carbon metabolism. Its essential function is to provide a continuous and immediate supply of energy, particularly glucose, according to the bodily needs. It is responsible for lower level of calcium, higher excretory levels of calcium, increase in heart rate and increase in the force of cardiac contraction. Insulin, it is secreted by the beta cells of the islets of Langerhans on the stimulation by a rise in blood glucose level, such as after a meal. Insulin serves many functions. It enables the liver and muscles to store glucose as glycogen, that is known as glycogenesis, and enables the tissues to take up and use glucose as a source of energy. This lowers the blood glucose level like glucagon. Insulin is primarily regulated by feedback from blood glucose level. When the blood glucose level drops, the secretion of insulin is suppressed. When the blood glucose level increases, the secretion of insulin is stimulated. It promotes synthesis of proteins from amino acids in the tissues. It reduces breakdown or catabolism of proteins to maintain the tissues. It promotes synthesis of fat from fatty acids and glucose in the adipose tissue. It reduces breakdown of fats in the body. Insulin is an anabolic hormone. Target cell. Insulin acts on the cells of liver, muscles and adipose tissue. Effects of insulin. Effects on carbohydrate metabolism. Increases rate of carbohydrate metabolism, decreases blood glucose concentration. Lack of insulin in the body or deficiency results diabetes mellitus, a disease characterized by following symptoms: hyperglycemia or high blood sugar level and glycosuria, sugar in urine are common. Diuresis, increased flow of urine. In liver, glycogen level may be below normal, but muscle glycogen in general may about normal, and heart muscle glycogen level is much above normal is seen in this case. Number 4, the conversion of carbohydrates into fats is reduced. The formation of glucose from non-carbohydrate sources, mostly proteins, is increased to a great extent. Effect of insulin on blood glucose concentration. In the deficiency of insulin, very little of glucose absorbed from gastrointestinal tract is transported into the tissues with rise of blood sugar level from a normal volume 93 mg per 100 ml of blood to as high as 300 to 1200 mg per 100 milliliter of blood. On the other hand, overproduction of insulin, glucose is transported into the tissues so rapidly that its concentration in the blood falls as low as 20 to 30 mg per 100 milliliter of blood. Effects of insulin on protein metabolism. Insulin increases the quantity of protein stored in the tissues. Deficiency of insulin decreases stored protein. Insulin is essential for growth of animals. Regulation of insulin and glucagon releases. Neither insulin nor glucagon release is under nervous or endocrine control. Rather, the blood glucose level directly stimulates the release of appropriate hormone. Next comes the somatostatin. It is secreted by the delta cells. It acts as a paracrine to inhibit the secretion of glucagon and insulin. It also decreases the secretion, motility and absorption of in the digestive tract. Pancreatic polypeptides secreted by pancreatic polypeptide cells. It inhibits the release of pancreatic juice. Disorders of pancreas, diabetes mellitus or hyperglycemia. It is a group of disorders that leads to an increase in the level of glucose in the blood known as the hyperglycemia. This is due to underactivity of beta cells in islets of Langerhans that results in reduced secretion of insulin. Such condition is called insulin dependent diabetes. Another is the hypoglycemia. This condition is also a disorder of pancreas. It occurs when the blood glucose level falls below normal. It may be caused by an excess of insulin, a deficiency of glucagon, or a failure of the secretion of both the hormones insulin and glucagon. Some individuals are lacking alpha cells, thus deficient in glucagon. Others produce excess insulin due to tumor of beta cells. Symptoms of hypoglycemia are weakness, profuse sweating, irritability, confusion, unconsciousness and convulsion. It needs urgent intake of glucose or sugar. This is about our endocrine gland, pancreas. So thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.